garage again. Pretty soon I am not going to be saying that because it's going to be warm enough and I'm actually going to have all my jump building done and I will be able to be out riding my horses and using the pretty jumps that I've made. But today I wanted to share with you guys how you can make a gate for a horse jump really affordably. And I know I've showed you different videos on gates. There's one back there in the corner, but out of all of the gates, the one I'm going to show you today is probably my favorite, so that's why I want to show it to you. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, jump building, welcome! So what I wanted to share with you guys today is what is behind me right now. And this is an 8-foot long gate that I made yesterday afternoon. And it was really simple to make. I basically built this gate for about $15. That includes the paint, everything. And it goes together so easily that you can make one of these or two or three or more in one day, depending on how intricate you want to get with your painting. But that's what I wanted to show you guys today, how you can make a simple gate for your horse jumps, and then you can have some really fun fillers that don't cost a lot of money. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some 2x4s because this is going to be the major part of my jump. And I'm actually building 2 gates today, so that's why I have 2 sets of 2x4s out. On the lower part of the 2x4, I'm going to cut off about 8 inches because the shorter or the bottom 2x4 is not going to be the same length as the top, which will be the top of the gate. So now that I have my pieces cut out, I'm going to measure 4 inches on either side, and that's about where I'm going to put the bottom. And then I need to create my pickets, so I just have some 1x3 inch lumber, and I'm marking off 12 inches because each of the slats or the pickets will be 12 inches long. And 12 inches is just a nice height to make the pickets for the gates. And after I had the pickets all cut out, then it was time to sand all of the wood. So I like to make sure I get all of the words and lettering and all the black marks off the 2x4s, and then also to make sure that my little pickets are all nice and sanded as well. This is a time-consuming part, but it's also a really important part to make sure you have a really nice finished looking gate. And then it was time to put the pickets in place. So I measured off on the top 2x4 where the center was. These gates are 8 feet long, so the center would be 4 feet. And then I just put the pickets, kind of arranged them of where I thought they would look good and how I wanted to lay them out. And once I was happy with how the pickets were, then I took a drill bit and I drilled starter holes in all of the little pickets. This is really important because this will prevent the wood from splitting when you put the screws in. And once I had all of the starter holes drilled, then I used 1.5 inch long screws and I attached the pickets to the 2x4s, making the gate. And now that the gate is basically assembled, all that's left to do is paint it. And of course, I'm using my Kills 2 primer paint. This is my most favorite paint to use. And even if you didn't have any other paint, you could use the Kills 2 primer and paint your jumps or your gates or whatever solid white, and they will be perfect for using outside because the Kills 2 primer can be used inside and it can withstand the outside elements as well. So what'd you think? Was that fun? Does it look easy? It really isn't hard to make a gate for a horse jump. They're pretty sturdy, actually very sturdy. And you can space out the slats any way that you want. It's completely up to you. You can design it however you want it to be. And this is a really affordable option if you're wanting to have some different fill for your jumps. You can make these all day long for $15 a piece. That is not bad at all. I believe if you were to go like on State Line Tack or Dover's and buy a gate ready-made, it's going to cost you anywhere from $150 on up, and that doesn't include the shipping. So you can make your own for about $15. For $150, you can make 10 of them. If you wanted 10 gates, you could totally do it. Or you could make them and sell them too. That's always an option as well. I hope you enjoyed this video today on building gates, and I can't wait to show you this all set up. This is going to go with my brick wall standards, which are behind me, and some boxes that are going to have this brick wall pattern on it. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all my other DIY videos. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.